Good afternoon. I'm Erica Sargent.
And I'm Joe Donlin. Emotional testimony today from a Chicago mother whose little boy was stabbed to death while protecting her.
CBS News Chicago investigator Tara Molina is live outside the courthouse where the accused killer is on trial. Tara.
Erica and Joe, that child's mother has a long history of police contact and orders of protection against the man you were just talking about, who's standing trial, Crosetti Brand. Our investigative team exposing many state failures in this case. And we want to warn you, this is a disturbing case, it's a disturbing story. So are the details in court that you're about to hear. A hero. That's how prosecutors described 11-year-old Jaden Perkins in court. On March 13th, 2024, he was killed trying to protect his pregnant mother, Lataria Smith. Prosecutors said Perkins was trying to pull Crosetti Brand off of his mom, who he was stabbing, and Brand stabbed him once in the chest. Brand stabbed Smith, who was pregnant, 11 times. She was rushed to emergency surgery, according to prosecutors. More than 14 months later, she was the very first witness called in this case, detailing meeting Brand at 15 years old and the years of violence and assault that followed. Smith also testifying to a relationship that rekindled in the months leading up to the deadly stabbing. Prosecutors say Brand broke into Smith's home in Edgewater just one day after he was released from prison on parole. Smith, Jaden's mother, had filed an order of protection against Brand, with whom she'd had a previous relationship. But a judge denied the request and scheduled a hearing for March 13th, the day of the murder. The CBS News Chicago investigators exposed those failures. The Department of Corrections originally told us they were never notified about that order of protection, but they later admitted they did get a notification about the court date. A few days later, the head of the Illinois Prisoner Review Board resigned.
Well, this case stood out to me. I've tried hundreds of cases in this building. The history of this case, with the orders of protection that have gone on for decades, actually, and the fact that he was released by the Illinois Prisoner Review Board, and a couple of the members of the Prisoner Review Board had to resign from the board because they felt they mistakenly let him out.
Crosetti Brand is representing himself in this trial, a trial he demanded. Facing 17 charges, he's claiming self-defense.
Well, he's his own lawyer, so he's got to see all these videos of his every move he made on the date of the homicide, every piece of evidence collected by the Chicago Police Department. So when it comes to a point when you get to see it between the time of the arrest and today, you come to the point where you say, gee, maybe saying it's not me is not the right defense.
I was in court all day today, and Crosetti Brand continually made objections and interrupted court hearings and testimony. Our legal analyst tells me that because he's representing himself, and that's really an example here, that this trial will likely take longer than it typically would. If he's found guilty, Crosetti Brand will spend the rest of his life behind bars. For now, reporting live outside the Cook County Courthouse, I'm Tara Molina, CBS News Chicago investigators.
Tara, thank you.